How to troubleshoot common printer problems. Printers are a staple in any office or home setting, and they play a crucial role in our day-to-day tasks. However, like any technology, printers can experience problems, causing frustration and productivity loss. In this video, we'll discuss some common printer problems and how to troubleshoot them. 1. Paper jams. Paper jams are perhaps the most common printer problem. A paper jam occurs when a sheet of paper gets stuck in the printer's mechanism, preventing the printer from working correctly. To fix a paper jam, first, turn off the printer, and then open the paper tray and remove any loose or stuck paper. Next, look inside the printer and remove any paper that's stuck in the printer's rollers. Finally, turn the printer back on and try printing again. 2. Poor print quality. If your printer is producing poor print quality, such as faded or blurry text, the problem could be caused by several factors. First, check your ink or toner levels, as low levels can cause poor print quality. If your ink or toner levels are adequate, try cleaning your printer heads. To do this, go to your printer settings and find the option for cleaning or maintenance. Follow the prompts to clean your printer heads, and then try printing again. 3. Printer not responding. If your printer isn't responding, check the connection between the printer and your computer. Ensure that the USB cable is securely connected to both the printer and your computer. If you're using a wireless printer, ensure that your computer is connected to the correct wireless network. You may also need to restart your printer and computer to restore the connection. 4. Printer driver issues. Printer driver issues can cause problems such as the printer not printing or the printer not working correctly. Ensure that you have the correct driver installed for your printer. You can usually find the correct driver on the printer manufacturer's website. If you're still experiencing problems after installing the correct driver, try uninstalling and reinstalling the driver. 5. Paper alignment issues. If your printer is misaligned and is printing at an angle or cutting off part of the page, you may need to adjust the paper alignment settings. Go to your printer settings and find the option for paper alignment or print settings. Follow the prompts to adjust the paper alignment settings and try printing again. In summary, printers can experience a range of problems, from paper jams to poor print quality to driver issues. However, with a bit of troubleshooting, you can usually fix these issues and get your printer back up and running in no time. If you're still experiencing problems after trying these fixes, contact the manufacturer's support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.